SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation 2022 offers some exciting new plots and the ability to analyze results across different projects. The designers of the Nemo were testing LED lamps that could run at 3 different brightness levels to adapt to the varying underwater environments a user will encounter. Instead of testing each individual scenario, we'll use a transient analysis to test the different levels as we switch from one setting to another. This will enable us to test the temperature change as we switch it underwater. The Transient Explorer is a tool that allows us to visualize results throughout a transient analysis. SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation 2022 enables us to display a flux plot from within the Transient Explorer. That gives us in-depth numerical results of how power is moving through this complex system. We can now create a new equation goal that can be created after we run the initial analysis. This will allow us to process values of other calculated goals. In this example, we're going to plot the maximum temperature of all of the LEDs over the entire transient analysis. It's quite cool. In this project, we also utilized several steady-state simulations, testing the different combinations of power and heat generated by supplying different power to each LED in combination. Comparing the results of 2 projects is essential to understanding the similarities and differences, but side-by-side analysis and visual scrutiny doesn't really tell the entire story. A new merge plot option allows us to combine multiple results and highlight the overall maximums and minimums. And a new difference plot allows us to display the differences from one project to a reference project. And the result summary tabulates data to provide an overview over multiple projects. The scene plot has now been updated to store things like model orientation, part visibility, and the zoom state. And both the type of plot and the view orientation are essential to getting the full picture of what's happening. With several new and powerful ways to interpret your results, SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation will help you hone in on the perfect design.